All right, good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so daily chart, you can see you got the low from back on the 28th, big move up Monday. They took it up to the 9-day yesterday, and then they pushed it back down, and we're kind of hanging around here. The thin purple line's your 200-day exponential, so we're just kind of battling underneath here. We're back inside the Bollinger Bands, which we talked about, really needed to happen. So hourly chart, and you've just got this whole area, 200-day, weekly pivot at 51, monthly pivot at 79. They tested the lower band yesterday, and it held. That was great news for the bulls, but now you're in a situation where they have to finish. And when I say finish, they've got to convert this entire area of price. You can see where the 9-day knocked it back. So when they did the 50 basis point cut, they lifted it right up to the 9-day, and it died all the way back to the lower band. So look, it was another massive day to trade. There's just a ton of volatility all over the place. So lower band holds. They take it back into the area of all these pivots. And it's really been trading between 50 and 60 since ADP at 815. On any kind of a serious lift today, I'm going to be watching 3096. I'm watching the 9-day. 9-day is just kind of descending into price. If the 9-day continues to hold, then the bears have an opportunity to bring it back down. But what you have here is a series of higher lows. So something's got to give, okay? And as long as we are chopping in between weekly pivot and monthly pivot, it's going to make for some okay trading. You're talking about a 30-handle range. It's trading like a 3-handle range, okay? There's plenty of elbow room in there to get stuff done. But you're not going to see the next major move until the 9-day makes a decision and until, at least through weekly pivot, makes a decision. And if the bears want deeper, they're going to have to take out that lower band, which is now sitting down at 29.32, 29.34. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Watch 51 off the open. VWAP is at 41. Trade them well. Come check out the room. I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.